Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Cool song here from REN. And I actually think I heard this song before. This would be some influences from Moby's song called Troubles as well. So REN Troubles. I recognize this because I listened to Moby a lot like 20 years ago or so. And this is yeah, obviously a song from Moby. So anyway, this is in REN style. Let's go over this one with the capo set here on 3rd fret. All right. So with that, we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We have E minor, D, A minor, and G. Actually, not in the same way. It goes in that order, but we have different styles here. We have one darker version of it and then one a little bit on the higher strings. I'm gonna show you both. I recommend you to play this one on the darker, more like playable style for guitar. You don't have to jump all over the fretboard, so it will be a little bit easier to stay with this. But I'm gonna show you both and then also a strumming pattern. Let's go with the chords first. We have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. Okay, and I recommend you to play these chords up here. They are the base for the melody we're gonna show first here on this tutorial. The darker version of it, like I mentioned, and the strumming later, I suggest you to use these chords. All right, so we're gonna first look at the melody parts and then the strumming. So let's go with the first darker version, like I call it many times now. So E minor goes like this. You hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play open E together with open G. Then second A, second D, and open G. Then we have the D grid pair. The next chord goes like this. So you're gonna play the 5th on A together with 4th D. Then you have the 5th E, then 5th A, and 4th D. So that is the D part. Then we have the A minor, hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So that is open A together with first B, second D, second G, and first B. And then we have the G part left. It's actually enough to just hold the 3rd fret on E string. You're gonna play that note together with open B, then open D, open G, and open B. And that's it. So that is the darker version of it, E minor, D, A minor, and G, like this, slowly. It's actually not that much faster than what I just played for you. But anyway, that is how you play one round. You can go with this through the entire song. All right, then we have this a little bit higher version of it. We have higher notes. Same chords, but just different grips. So you're gonna start all over again with E minor. It goes like this. So that is the open E string in the bass together with 3rd fret E string, high E string. Then 4th G. Then 5th B. And 3rd E. Right? Then you hold the next chord, the D, hold the chord as it is, and you play this part. So that is open D string together with second E, then second G, third B, and second E. Then you're gonna jump right up to this position, and it looks exactly the same grip as this starting E minor in this version. It looks pretty much like a D minor, if you understand what I mean. If you know the chord D minor, you hold it here on the first E minor part, but also now with the A minor. So you're gonna jump up to this position here, and that gives you 9th on G, 10 on B, and 8 on E. Now you're gonna play open A together with 8E, then 9G, 10B, and 8E. Right? So, and you see all the patterns goes in the same way pretty much. So that is the A minor, and now the last G. You go to this position and play. So that is open G string together with 7th E, then open B, then 8B, and 7th E. That's the end of that version. So slowly, one round goes like this. Sorry. Had to play 2 rounds there to make up for the first round. So that is the second version, the higher version. I recommend you to play the darker here. You have everything on place pretty much where you are playing there, so you don't have to jump all over the fretboard, but it could be nice to have this as an alternative way to play. All right, I also promised the strumming pattern for this, and we're gonna go with the straight chords, A minor, D, A minor, and G up here. So 1 string round, you're gonna play 1 round per chord. So if you go to E minor, 1 strumming goes like this. Okay, so that would be down, down, up, clap, down. That's how I would play it. So down, down, up, clap, down. With the chords, 1 round per chord. Yeah, so there you have REN's or Mobit's Troubles. Hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, please give me a like on this tutorial. And yeah, hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.